this is our 7-watt dental diode laser, where you will get this diode laser book, all the manual and everything details. This is our 300 micron fiber, and when you look up to the machine, this is your main unit, this is your foot paddle, this is your doctor's goggle, this is your battery, this is your stand, and you can see this pink color guiding cannula. This is a stripper, this is your spool holder, and this is power cable adapter. Okay, now next thing is, once you will open this foam, you can see inside this there is a diamond cutter as well as one surgical handpiece. See this machine, first of all we will take out this gliding cannula, and you can see this battery will be pulled off. Okay, and this is your stand. This is your stand, and you can see on the back side this is a passage, and this is your battery. This will go and slide like this. Once it is slided, you will keep it in the front, and this is your unit. This is your unit. You have to unpack it, and you can see these notch where your screw, which is given on the back side, can be easily fitted. This is done, and you can see there is a connection wire which is coming out from the battery. It will be connected here. Once it is connected, this part of the section is ready. Pause. Which comes along with the machine, and you can see this will be fixed at this area. Can you see this? And same way, once you will press this, you can take this out. Once you will take this out, this is a fiber which comes in a packing. Okay? Take out this fiber. Once you will take it out, you have to leave this connection as a loose part, and you will roll it. Keep following the path and roll the fiber. Okay, so this way you will fix your fiber on the spool holder, and this way it will be fixed. You can see this connector point, connect it at this point, and this way your machine is ready. Once this machine is ready, you will receive a surgical handpiece along with this box. A threaded screw is there. Take this fiber. You will push the fiber from the back side on the screw. Once this is done, you will have a box in which you will receive guiding cannula. Take out one guiding cannula, and you can bend as per your choice. Make sure the angle should not be acute. Release this screw, push this fiber, then tighten the screw. Your handpiece is ready. You can fix it here on the surface. You can see this on and off button. Press this on and off button, and you will enter on the screen. This is your foot paddle which you will receive along with the machine, and you can see a stand which comes along with it. There is a screw which is given, and you have to fix that way on the screw. Your foot paddle is ready and protective. Once you will enter on the screen, they will ask for the password. Enter the security password, and you will go to the personalized solution, and you can check on the screen as a software. This is the screen on which you will enter. You can see menu, continuous and a pulse mode, and personalized solution. To select whichever mode you want, you can just directly press at the point. Suppose that you have selected continuous mode, and this is your power. You can increase or decrease power at this way. Same way, if you are on a pulse mode, you can increase or decrease power by choosing it. Otherwise, if you want to switch over to the pulse width, you can change the pulse width as well. If you want to select the output time for certain treatment, you can come here and select the output time and change it accordingly. Same way, if you want to go to the preset parameter or to the software of the machine, this is a personalized solution mentioned. Click on that part, and you will enter on the dental and derma section. Suppose that you want to go to dental section, you are on the screen. In the battery, can you see this portal which has been given? You have to connect this adapter at this point. Once it is connected, you will get a signal at this battery. If it is red, let it get charged. If it is green, this is your battery is fully charged. Make sure that you charge your battery regularly if you are using it or not using it. See, whenever I have disconnected or dismantled my machine, make sure you cover this diode opening. Okay, you will get a lid cover, as well as this screw threaded part is there. So always close this diode lid to protect your diode from attracting external dust. Thank you so much. You get patient eyewear as well as doctor's eyewear. This is your doctor eyewear. Make sure you should not wash it with any of the chemical which is present inside the clinic. This should be cleaned with the clothes which is being given inside this box, and it should be cleaned only with the running water. Do not wash it with the saline or anything, otherwise you will lose the protection layer and then it doesn't come under warranty and it is costly. So once you will see this, once you will remove your foot paddle, you can see a dental kit along with this. Okay, this is your bleaching handpiece, this is your TMJ pain handpiece, and this is your biostimulation handpiece. How to attach these handpiece, please follow on IMDSL India YouTube page. Thank you.